Let's do some examples of combining like terms. In this first one, you can see this first term, the 4xy, and, well, actually the second term and the third term all are like terms. This second term, in order for me to kind of see it, though, because when we're talking about terms, we want to think of these always as addition, what I'd want to do is I'd want to think of this as the opposite of xy. And I'm going to take this one step further. I'm actually going to call it a negative 1xy, so that I can see what the coefficient is there. Now that I have xy and xy and an xy term, when I combine them, 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 3 is 6. This gives me 6xy. So you can see I combined the coefficients. 4 plus negative 1 is 3, plus 3 is 6, and I kept the variable parts the same. It's just xy. In this example, not all of the terms are like terms, but there are a couple of pairs. This one right here, 5x, and this one right here, negative 2x. Those would combine to give me a 3x. And then I have my 4xy and my negative 3xy. 4 and a negative 3 gives me 1, which gives me 1xy. But we generally don't write the 1 because multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value of a number. So I just write this as 3x plus xy. Notice that I can't combine these any further because these are not like terms. This has a variable part of x, this one has a variable part of xy. This would be as far as I could simplify that one. Alright, looking at this example, I'm going to think of this as a negative 1r. So you can see it started off with minus r there, and I want to think of it as negative 1r, so that when I combine like terms, this term, the 6r, and the negative 1r combine to give me 5r. And you'll notice the 2r squared, since it's not a like term with anything, it's not able to combine with anything else. It's not able to simplify any further. And the last example in this video, we have 3y plus y plus 5y. And I think of this as 1y. 3 plus 1 plus 5 is, well, 4 plus 5 is 9. We end up with 9y here.